Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Ford's 2004 to 2008 F-150. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any wiring harness, clips, and anything where the new part sits. Clean the frame free of rust, paint, or anything on the frame that will inhibit you from installing the part. Next, if you so choose, once the frame is clean, spray some well-through primer to help stop future rust development. Step 3. Install the part while aligning the holes and making sure the bottom and the inside of the part is touching the frame. Next, once the fit has been verified, the part can be welded in fully. Finally, paint the frame with paint of choice to help prevent against future rust development. And you're done.